Snem kadak ke jing ai buram ya ka kenhun ki Nongtrei ke Tnad ka kot ka khia ki ba ai Jingshakri ya ki Khynnah ki ba Hapoh ka khat prasnam karta ha ka khat artri ulber araja arpusan ka Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram Meghalaya kalapen long ya ka program ban Rakhe ru ya ka jingdap shiposnam ka Jingshakri jong ki Nongtrei ya ka balapen long ha GHM guest house Jowai ki Nongtrei ka Tnad ka kot ka khia ki bala no snyang ha ka te ka Jingshakri ki kentop ya ki ba na rilom Jainte Hills bat Ribhoi district Hakani si lai don lang doba F Pasa o Assistant Commissioner ka Jowai Kumukongsan ka Dr. P Shilla District Medical and Health Officer West Jainte Hills District Dr. Helen Uria ka Dr. A.E. Patuet Pediatrician Dr. J Lakyang MODEIC ki khot ka Mobile Health Team MHT bat ka kunhun ka District Early Intervention Center DEIC Naki lightly ki district kata ka West Jainte Hills District ka East Jainte Hills District bat ka Ribhoi District nalor kiwei de Haba ai jing kran uba F Pasa ula ai jing ro ya ka kenhun ka bala le bha ya la ka kamram wat ha padang ki jing e ki babun na ka por sha ka por ki ya ye le sitom ban lap ya ki jing pang jing sitom ki Khynnah bat ban pen bang ya ki jing don kam jong ki
Thank you. May be seated. You guys are doing a good job, and going by the fact that because this is a special program, I even actually don't know that this program it's actually the program that actually aims for the for the overall improvement of quality life of the children. All this while I thought it's like a kind of a different thing, but it's just that I got to know the moment I received information, I checked from the net and I have to appear here and I said, oh man, this is the program. Yeah, because I know, see, I thought it's RHM, NHM, so many things. But then I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm also glad to be here. And also, like, I want to call on the MHT, please. I don't know what is the full form of MHT, but then you guys, like what I said, you're the bridge between the community and the office. So I think your relation with them, I think, very cordial. I think with the community. So far, this is concerned because you being in the field, you know much more better than people like your higher ups who are sitting in the office. So once again, before I resume my seat, I just want to call on you guys to perform better in the near future. Thank you.
So over the past decade, the program has played a pivotal role in terms of early identification and intervention for what is commonly known as the 4Ds. The defects at birth, the deficiencies, the diseases, the developmental delays, and including the disabilities, of course. And our dedicated mobile health teams, comprising of the doctors, the nurses, the pharmacists, as well as the ASHA workers. Now, you have been instrumental in screening many children and at the same time providing the necessary medical interventions, ranging from free treatment to life-changing surgeries. So this has made a difference. It has improved the health and well-being of the children. And at the same time, what we're seeing is that it has brought down the infant and the child mortality rates. Now, this is in aligning with the country's child health initiatives, okay, with the Global Sustainable Development Goals. And we say one of the major achievements of the program is the establishment of the mobile health teams, because it is through you that even in the remote, far-flung villages, reduce the burden of the 4Ds. Now, the program, together let us move forward with dedication, with innovation, and a shared vision that that every child in the country has a brighter future. Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bate yekamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoi ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya